Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. I am Aditya Obray from Team CodeCapture, and I'm really glad to be presenting our project to you here in the Azure AI Hackathon. So, in my life so far, I have studied in a variety of institutions, and all of them have had one problem in common: a disparity between the number of computers available and the students that use them. Although I was very fascinated by computers since an early age, this disparity led to there being very limited computer science education opportunities at school. I was only able to pursue coding education when I started college, and even now it is primarily based on pen and paper. This is the story of many of my peers and other students in developing countries that amount to approximately 85% of the world. Personally speaking, smartphones have been there in my house since I was 10 years old. Statistically speaking, 4 out of 5 people have access to smartphones versus only 2 out of 5 to computers. Smartphones simply are more accessible than computers. So our solution, CodeCapture, facilitates coding education for institutes and individuals that have limited to no access to computers. With CodeCapture, you just hop onto our website, log in there using your credentials. You can then go to our code playground where you can take a picture of your handwritten code. Our web app will extract it for you and then you can edit and run it in your browser. So that's how easy it is to use CodeCapture. And essentially with CodeCapture, you do not need to type to code. Built around this amazing technology will be an all-inclusive learning platform with facilities such as learning classrooms, curated content, instructors upskilling, as well as a learners community. CodeCapture will offer an unparalleled mobile-first online classroom experience. Our software here has an Azure heavy technical stack, the hero of which is Azure Cognitive Services. Now, as we enter a more technologically enabled world, the education market here will continue to grow. We currently have an estimated existing market of 2.5 billion students in the world with 323 million in India, and this number has the potential to grow up to 6 billion in the world with 884 million in India. That is the scale CodeCapture has the potential to impact on, which is why we are keeping a highly affordable subscription based pricing model for institutions and individuals for our eventual platform. Education should be a choice, not a privilege. Everyone comes from different walks of life, and we want to ensure that financial limitations do not hamper anyone's learning. Now, our idea so far has achieved various milestones, the biggest one being getting featured in the Hour of Code 2020, where we also directly worked with and empowered over 250 learners and received very favorable feedback. To conclude, we aim to empower youth to be future ready by making coding education accessible to all. Thank you.